Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is, how many lines of symmetry are there in the given figure? And we have given one figure here. Firstly, if a line divides a figure into the two parts such that when the figure is folded about the line, the two parts of the figure coincide. Parts of the figure coincide, then that line is called a line of symmetry. Now here we can observe for the given figure, here we have given the figure like this. And we can observe there are three lines of symmetry. Means the given figure has three lines of symmetry. So our correct option is option A.